Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Mi Band 4. It's finally here in India. Xiaomi launched this alongside a couple of new products, that is a new water purifier, 4 new TVs and some extra smart home products. But this was the main highlight for me and that's why I went ahead and bought it. So this Mi Band, that is the Mi Band 4, is the most colorful Mi Band ever. And if you may ask why, that's because of that beautiful colorful display. So finally it has an RGB AMOLED display, which is a 0.95 inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 120 by 240 pixels. Now I know that it's not the most pixel dense display out there, but for the size this small, it is perfect. And I'm really glad that Xiaomi decided to include a colored AMOLED display this time, because it opens a wide range of possibilities. So you can view more information on your band, and now you can have different watch faces as well. So you can have different colors, which look really cool, by the way. Now, apart from the looks, it also has functional advantages. So you can view more information on your band, which includes notifications, your fitness data, your data from other apps like, stopwatch, timer, alarm, etc, etc. And there are a lot of features included in this little band. Like, it is a very good band. And now it is more closer to a smartwatch than the first iteration. So in every iteration, it is getting closer and closer to a smartwatch, but it has the advantage of a fitness band, that is a smaller size and a longer lasting battery. Now talking about that battery, this time the Mi Band 4 is a little bit thicker because it has a colored display. So I'm guessing that they had to put in a bigger battery to get that 20-day battery life. So yeah, you heard me right. Xiaomi is claiming that this little band has 20 days of battery life, but I will be testing that thoroughly. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe below, because a full review of the Mi Band 4 will come after a month. Now, one welcome upgrade with the Mi Band 4 is swim tracking. So you can finally track your swimming workouts. And now I guess a lot of swimmers will buy this band because of the price point and the features that it offers. Like, swim tracking was, missing from the last iteration, but finally it is here. And as I said, a lot of swimmers are going to love this feature. So overall, the Mi Band 4 is a very attractive package with that colored AMOLED display. Like, that new display is the main attraction here, and Xiaomi has only increased the price by 300 rupees. So for the price of rupees 2300, this is a killer fitness band. And if you were planning to buy a fitness band, then Mi Band 4 is the one you should get. You can take my word for it. I've used every iteration of a Mi Band, and they just keep getting better every year. So anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that it helped you out in some way or the other. And if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below, because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi. I'll see you guys in the next one.